Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about a very simple command because a lot of shapes are available, ready-made shapes are available in ArtCAM software, but there is no ready-made love sign is available. So many people ask how I will design a love sign from in the ArtCAM software. You can see there is a rectangle command is there, circle command is there, star command is there, polygon command is there, arc command is there, polyline command is there. So polygon, so all these commands are available, but no ready-made shapes for love sign is available. So I will be explaining in this tutorial how to create any specific shape using the art. So for that, I am just want to share the ArtCAM software screen with you first. Okay, this is the ArtCAM software. Here, if I want to create any shapes, this is specifically people asking the love sign. So I'm just giving. So first we have to create a vertical line like this. Okay, first we create a vertical line. Press the space bar, remove the swing and close it. And what we have to do is that we have to make this as a for node editing, ready for node editing. So for that we will press N, or we have here we can go and select node editing. Okay, we can collect and select it here. Otherwise, we can just simply pressing N also, it will come into the node editing form. Then we have to keep the cursor on top of this line and press B. B means the B spline. Okay, or the right clicking you can. So when we want to do the node editing, then these two nodes will be, this is for the tangential. You can just pull it out like this, and here also you can pull it out. Okay, like this. So the shape, whatever the say the half shape you want, you can create accordingly. So if you want to create, so control is set, control is set, control is set. So once this node, and if we press the B spline, no, already it becomes unselectable because it's already a Bezier curve. If you want to make a line, you can make line. If you want to, you can make arc. Now these three different shapes we can create. Bezier is already there, so it is like here. So then just click it here. Then you can see this node. We can pull it out like this. This is a tangential line. You can pull it and can change the shape. So any way you can change it, and also if you want to make some little bit of change here in this, you can also add a node point, like insert a point. Okay, this also you can do, and you can do this like that. If you want to make the shapes little bit of different way, you can just add those lines here. And if you want one more node point, you can add it, so that you see there is no changes below whatever when we pull up this. So this way we can create any shape, okay, like this. And for love sign, I'm just if I don't want this nodes, then I can delete it. Just press D or right click and click D. Here also I just press D, so remove that. So again I can pull it in this way. Okay, so any shape, anyway, any half the size you can decide. This is the shape I want to create. Then half the shape you can go and mirror it here. Okay, mirror to left. So this portion is down. So you have to draw this one side perfectly. Then other side also will come in the same way. So this is the way we can create a frame. And just going back, and if you want to change the shape little bit sharp, no, here it's sharp like that. You can do that, and you can make it to left, close. So if you want to do any customized designs or customized shape, you can do with the help of node editing. And here the shape once made in a different parts, we can join it together using the command. Here, if you pressing the shift key here, selecting, so selecting with these two curves together, and we can get it join. If the ends are joined already touching each other, then we can use this command join vector with coincident start and or end points. So with one step itself, we can join this shape. Okay, this way, if you want to bring it to the center, we can use F9 or there is a command here where you can exact center. So any customized shape you can create using a node editing. So from a simple standard shape available already available here, you can create uh, different other shapes. I just now I created this shape from a just from a straight line, a vertical line. I have developed this shape. So similar way, if you are from a basic shape, you can develop any number, any kind of shape, any customized shape with the help of node editing. Hi, I am here to help more than 100,000 of people who have no proper guidance how to start a new business based on CNC automation, and also for those people who have already invested in CNC automation and stuck with problems in running and scaling up the business. If you are really interested to start a business in CNC router based business, or you have already invested in this business, if you want to improve your business, you may please attend a webinar conducted by going to conduct by me. I am regularly conducting a webinar. The link for the webinar is available in the video. Okay, so you hope that you will register for the webinar and we will meet there in the live sessions. Thank you very much.